I can do that. In, but that is so pretty hard to making of that. So yeah, it's a very hard to get that challenge. Okay, there. Excuse me. We have a motor. Where is she? Okay, there. Yeah. Okay, so there's nothing here. There's nothing here. A lot. So we're going to back in the business, guys. Check. Okay. I almost going to brown, but I think it's going to already burn. My God. I'm going to apply a white screen or sunscreen. Anything that goes wrong, I'm going to apply that. Uy! Nature Up! Hello. Hello po, Nature Up. So, I'm here in Davao. So, we have some summer vacation here to my relatives. So, I am here in the Rizal Street part on Davao. If you know that, I'm currently in Davao. Then here I have, so they have a house here, just like a rooftop, I guess. Yeah, obviously rooftop. Yes, 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 yes. My God, daming girls dito. Ganda. But I just want to force it myself na I don't want more that. I don't want that. Maybe in the next day or maybe next, if I have a job currently, I think it will help finding a good girl for me and taking good care. So sad, Louis vlogging. There are no jowa. Ay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you here in outside, not to see my face in the camera. It's so very bored, no? So let's have a little bit tour here. So I'm so very embarrassing myself here. We are in the rooftop. Too much people on it. Okay, no problem. Too much people at the bottom.